Teoasis AI has just been released, and if you're looking to understand why it might be the best AI software of its kind, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Teoasis AI, including why it's gaining so much attention, how it stands out from the competition, and whether it's worth your time. Stick around till the end, because I've got some insights on how you can start using it for free right now. First, let's dive into the core features. Teoasis AI is built to help businesses automate complex tasks, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity across various industries. Whether you're in marketing, customer support, or project management, this software can handle it all, and its versatility is one of its most significant selling points. One of the things that immediately stands out about Teoasis AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike many other AI tools that come with a steep learning curve, Teoasis was designed to be intuitive. Even if you have no background in AI or tech, you'll find it easy to navigate. The setup process is quick, and its dashboard provides clear insights, making it a great option for both beginners and experts in digital marketing. Now let's talk about the automation capabilities. Teoasis AI isn't just another task automation software. It offers highly customizable workflows, meaning you can tailor it to fit the specific needs of your business. If you're managing a marketing campaign, for example, Teoasis can automatically schedule social media posts, send personalized emails to your clients, or even handle customer queries through its built-in chatbots. This level of automation is perfect for reducing manual effort while maximizing efficiency. What sets Teoasis apart is its deep learning features. The AI doesn't just follow preset commands. It learns and adapts based on the data you provide, making it more intelligent with time. For instance, if you use it to analyze customer feedback or market trends, it will start offering insights on how to optimize your approach. This gives businesses the power to stay ahead of the competition without constantly updating or tweaking their strategies. The next crucial thing to note is Teoasis AI's scalability. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large corporation, Teoasis can grow with you. It's designed to handle vast amounts of data and users without compromising performance. This makes it an excellent investment for long-term business growth. In terms of integration, Teoasis is compatible with most major platforms, including CRMs, email marketing tools, and data analytics systems. You won't have to worry about your existing tech stack being incompatible. Its smooth integration ensures that your team can continue using the software they're already familiar with while benefiting from the new AI capabilities. Another key feature is its powerful data analytics tools. Teoasis doesn't just help automate tasks, it also offers detailed analytics to track performance. Whether you're looking at website traffic, sales conversion rates, or customer satisfaction metrics, Teoasis gives you a comprehensive view of your business performance. This data-driven approach allows you to make smarter decisions faster. Lastly, the cost of Teoasis AI is extremely competitive. Compared to similar AI tools on the market, Teoasis offers more value at a fraction of the cost, especially for smaller businesses. It also offers a free trial, so you can explore all its features without commitment. If you decide to invest in it long-term, the pricing remains affordable and flexible, scaling with your business needs. If you're interested in trying out Teoasis AI, you can access the free trial from the first link in the description below. This will give you a hands-on experience with all its powerful features before making any financial commitments. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I've narrowed it down to a few that stand out, and Teoasis AI is definitely one of the top choices for any business looking to leverage AI to streamline operations. In the description, you'll find links to other AI tools that I highly recommend, so be sure to check them out if you're looking to take your business to the next level. Remember, with Teoasis AI, you're not just getting another piece of software, you're getting a smart, adaptable, and cost-effective solution to help your business grow efficiently.